Hi, Dr. Hess here again. Do you or a loved one snore? Do you know that I can make you an appliance that may eliminate that snoring completely? Now, snoring is irritating to both us and our sleep partner, but snoring can be an indicator of a bigger problem, and that bigger problem is sleep apnea. Sleep apnea has been implicated in many diseases, including high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, and stroke. Well, now in our office, we actually have the ability to screen for sleep apnea. We send you home with an appliance that you wear on your wrist, you bring it back to us, we run a report, and if that report indicates that you may have sleep apnea, we'll refer you to a specialist. If you simply have a snoring issue, well, we can make you an appliance to eliminate that problem. I want to give you a restful sleep again. Please don't hesitate to call Cynthia at 253-939-2424 for more information. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.